start this intro. I just bought Minecraft. Yeah. If you look right here, I have 20. I'm not gonna spend it. I'm not gonna buy it. Robux. Looks like just music thingy is coming up. So hey guys, I'm Jonathan here. I downloaded this like a couple hours, like 2 hours ago, and I'm finally recording a video again. Yay! I put my avatar as Steve, and I didn't assign it. So we're gonna be doing this about I don't got friends. Hold on. So my name is Ethan Never because I want to put M's on everything. So if you wanna be my friend on Minecraft, that's my name. I don't know how to accept it though. I did a little practice survival world. I found a village which was very different. I had to change my controls. It's not letting me get that. There we go. I look like I just got a symbol ban. You can see down. I searched little in-betweens. Comment down below how to make it bigger. Or comment down below your Minecraft username. If Maddie watches this, Madison, I'm pretty sure that's her real name. I heard Addie say it. Addie, something. I don't know. How did I get a stick? I wasn't even paying attention. If they watch this, what is how do you look at things? Oh, that's how. I just did that because I played another game and that's what it does. Let's just go mining some. Actually, I forgot what I was about to say. Yeah, like, I wonder if they try from me. I mean, the chat is. I didn't test chat off camera though, and I don't really want to. And I don't really want to do it off camera right now. I'm gonna test it. When I end recording. Where to go? I'm on the phone, so this is way smaller. You guys might be like, why are you passing like 5,000,200 shit? This should be something that didn't happen. There's so much tall trees. What the heck is this tree? Let's get on this and then just start mining. I meant axing. What am I even talking about right now? Dog's axe. I should have done one more block on top. I want to do like some kind of build battle because we have so many more. We have better items in this. Actually, what am I talking about? There's like other Minecraft games. Oh gosh. And there are like 3 different types of Minecraft games. Me and my brother used to play those all the time. Because Minecraft costs money. Cow. No. Cows do this. In Minecraft. Cows always do this. And I'm gonna find another village. I see mountains in the distance. Let's find the sheep and the jeep. I am such a noob. even hear anything because I'm recording. Am I? Yeah, I'm recording. Oh, how do you... There we go. The only thing you see is tar, big cheese. I forgot. I wish we didn't have to kill the sheep, but we have to kill the sheep to make it more fair, so we don't get like infinite wool. Like if we find one sheep and then we get just infinite wool, because you have to take. If I'm right, in real life, you have to like cut off the wool from them, and then they just grow more. So basically get like infinite wool. I mean, not wood, wool. I don't really know what to talk about. In my other Minecraft world, I found a village. Ooh, doggy. AKA Wolfie. Chicken go bop, go little bop. Oh, I thought it was a village. And it is a village. I'm basically cheating again. What is it? I thought it was like one of those zombie pigs. Yeah, zombie pigs. Maybe the zombie pig from Piggy is just the zombie pig from Minecraft. It's actually not grandfather pig from Piggy. What did I just get? What is this? Potato. I just took Mr. P and Mrs. P and their children. Ooh, we bad. Don't mind if I do. Let me just take this bed. Don't mind me. I'm totally not stealing your chest. Dang, that was a lot. Thank you. I was very scared. Looks like some kind of shooting, Captain Hook, pirate. Oh, go. I don't have any stone. Didn't even start crafting yet. Spruce wood. Let's just craft because I can. It doesn't matter. Let's go make a crafting table and then. Oh, we still have more. Oh. Let's just put some of this in my inventory. Where's my inventory? I have no idea what my inventory is. There it is. So you, Mr. Potato, go bye-bye. You. Okay, why you come back, Mr. Potato? You, give me the stick, give me the chest, and give me the spruce thingy. I have no idea what I'm doing. So, crafting table. Where's my sticks? Why it's not showing sticks? Why? Oh, there it is. I just cut the billion sticks. You and you and you. I'm not used to the X button being on the left. Is it on the left? Yeah, it's on. No, that's the right. Will I get cold? I don't think I got it. Did I? Oh, I did. Yeah, it does come out. I thought you needed like a stone pickaxe. It's not. I tried to get diamonds with a stone pickaxe before. Ain't work. What kind of coal is that? This does not look like coal. All I'm getting is coal. I'm not getting any stone. How much coal is in here? By the time I'm gonna have like 5 million torches. I ate rice and beans like an hour ago and I still have the hiccups. There's like lots of problems with me. If I go into the car or van, whatever, and then I get too far from my house. I mean, not my house, like where I live. I get sick, kind of like seasick. Actually, not even close to seasick. I have no idea what I'm even talking about now. And then we have the rice ups. I'm just saying random things about me. And I eat rice and beans. Sometimes it's spicy, sometimes it's not. I just ran into another village and it's laggy. What just happened? Oh. When I eat rice and beans, I sometimes get the hiccups, and then I have nose. I can't breathe underwater because when I put my nose underwater, the water gets into my nose and I can't breathe. So I start choking. I mean, I don't know what I'm talking about. I just want to talk nonsense. I didn't even build a house yet, and it's almost nighttime. Definitely I'm going to build it up here. Yep, building it up here. Right here. Where's my wood? There it is. 1, 2, 5, 8, 2. All I hear is, I don't hear anything from Minecraft. All I hear is stuff in the background, like outside. And I see a spider. Let's stop building. I see 2 actually. I don't think they attack us. I think we have to attack them for them to attack us. No. No. Let's go for keeper first. That's it. Oh gosh. What's on? No, I have to start all over again. I should have built a house like a way long time ago. I don't. Oh wow, there's 2 skellies. I didn't even know that. Come kill me. I don't wanna live. If this was in real life, I would have been. Oh, a 3rd creeper. Let's go to creative. Loading. Goes to another. I wanna creative. Continue. Wait, what? No. Why? Oh, I could have just put on peaceful and there would have been no mobs. Let's create oh, be nice to animals. And skeletons are basically animals, because skeletons are the inside of all of us. So I'm being dumb. So zombie pig then. If a zombie pig is basically Zompiggy from Piggy, then I don't have to be nice to him. Because Piggy characters are animals. Just like Kitty and just like Spider. Actually no, Spider's bad. How do you fly? Oh, just double click. It's exactly what I expected from other games. How can you do it? I want to like make this a flat board. Yay, I'm gonna get some new resources, aka not. What can we do with these things anyway? Right here. Let's go right here. What's in the inventory? Oh. We have all of this. We have a bunch of randomness. And we have blocks. Nature. This is nature. We have items and then we have equipment. Items. Beds. Minus you. Okay, there's like different colors of things. I can become the Ender Dragon. What if I like have this? Give me this. Give me. How do you take this off? There we go. I didn't think. It just makes my head bigger. Iron nugget. So it's chicken nuggets, right? This ain't Fortnite. I'm just looking at all of the things. Gold, emerald, heart of the sea. Tell me, does that look like a heart? Brilliant. Ender pearl. Ender pearl. Ender pearl. Give me. Oh, I only get 16. AKA infinite. So how do you throw? Oh. Let's do this. Oh, there we go. They teleport to the other. What if I like teleport in the sky? Oh, what just happened? Let's go into the dark world of caves. And ow. What else is there to do? Drop items. I don't know how to like hold 2 items at once. I want to know how to do that. Where's the oars? Oars. I don't even know how to say oars. This can't be it. Oh, on. Message the bow. Oh, okay. Diamond nature. I found iron, I found redstone, I found 1 diamond. Oh! I don't know how to use redstone. Found 1 gold, found emeralds, and coal. and I mine them all in 5 seconds. Oh my. I don't even know what to do at this point. Besides from fix my small controls. What if I like just make... Is there a way to make a flat world? Okay, so let's try to make a flat world and then we like end the video. No, let me get off. Survival. Adventure. Let me take this off. Okay. This is how to delete this. I'm gonna make a new world. Okay, so flat. Continue. Let's name this everything. Okay. Let's see how flat it is. I swear to God. I think if I swear that's bad. I don't. If I just go mining like 3 blocks. I knew it. Gosh, I knew that would happen. Look at all of this bedrock. We have rocks under our beds. I don't know what to do for my health, so subscribe, like if you like the video, share it with your friends, comment down below. I don't know what to tell you what to comment down below. I have no idea. This is so confusing. What am I doing?